Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Excel automation with macros. Macros are a powerful tool that can save you time by automating repetitive tasks like formatting, data entry, or generating reports. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this step-by-step guide will show you how to create and use macros effectively. Let's get started. Macros in Excel are small programs written in VBA or Visual Basic for applications that automate repetitive tasks. For example, if you regularly format a report, you can record a macro to do it in one click. Here's a practical example. I have a simple data set with 3 columns: name, sales, and region. First, I'll select the header row and apply bold formatting, then add a blue background with white text to make it pop. Next, I'll format the sales column as currency and adjust the font size for better readability. Finally, I'll add borders to make the table look clean and professional. Macros can be recorded directly in Excel without needing to write any code, making them beginner-friendly. To use macros, you first need to enable the Developer tab. Here's how. Go to the File menu, then select Options. In the Excel Options window, click on Customize ribbon. Check the box next to Developer and click OK. Let's record a macro to automate formatting a dataset. Follow these steps. Go to the Developer tab and click on Record Macro. In the dialog box, give your macro a name like Format Data. Optionally, assign a shortcut key like Ctrl+Shift+F for quick access, then click OK to start recording. Here's a dataset with unformatted numbers and text. I'll record a macro to format it quickly. First, I'll bold the headers and add a background color. Then, I'll format the sales as currency, update the dates to a long format, and align the text. Finally, I'll add borders for a polished look. Let's record this as a macro. Once you're done, go back to the Developer tab and click Stop Recording. Your macro is now saved and ready to use. Now that we've recorded our macro, let's use it on another dataset. Here's a new table with unformatted numbers and text. To run the macro, select the new dataset and go to the Developer tab. Click Macros, choose the one we recorded, and hit Run. As you can see, the macro instantly applies all the formatting, saving you time and ensuring consistency. This is especially useful when working with repetitive tasks across multiple datasets. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut key assigned during recording. Simply press Ctrl+Shift+F and the macro will run instantly. This makes applying the macro even faster. Macros in Excel are powered by VBA, or Visual Basic for applications. To view or edit your macro, go to the Developer tab and click Visual Basic. In the VBA editor, you'll find the code for your macro in the Module section. Here's the code for the macro we recorded earlier. Each line represents an action we performed while recording. For example, this line applies bold formatting to the header row, and this one formats the sales column as currency. You can also edit the macro to add extra functionality. Let's add a line to automatically save the workbook after the formatting is applied. Simply type activeworkbook.save at the end of the macro. Once you're done, save your changes, close the editor, and your macro is ready to run with the new feature. When saving a workbook with macros, it's important to use the correct format. Click on File, then Save As, and choose Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook.xlsm. This ensures your macros are saved with the file. If you save it as a regular workbook, the macros will be removed. Here are some practical examples where macros can save time: automating monthly report formatting, generating invoices or templates, cleaning and organizing raw data. With macros, the possibilities are endless, and even simple tasks can be streamlined into one click. And that's it for today's tutorial on macros in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.